Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is for all the Aquarius people, Sun Moon rising, and we are looking at the month of December. So let's see. What is happening for Aquarius. We will look at the theme, a challenge, a blessing, and a message from your spirit guides. Okay, so let's begin. Theme, challenge, blessing, and a message from your spirit guides. Okay, let's begin. So for theme we have travel, for challenge we have planning and action, and for blessing we have true love, and the message from spirit guides is going forward. So one by one I will be clarifying all the cards. So let's clarify the travel card first. Okay, so for the theme for Aquarius, firstly, I do feel that there's going to be some physical travel. You might have certain opportunities to travel, and if you are planning to travel, there's a suggestion for you. Don't travel with a lot of people, and especially with people who you do not align with. Okay, there will be certain travel opportunities. For example, there will be certain yoga retreats. Okay, certain retreats will definitely play an important role, and if you go and choose to be a part of those retreats, those workshops and everything, if you travel for peace, if you travel for healing, if you travel with a holistic approach, okay, that is going to be something which will be very, very beneficial for you. Secondly, I also feel that there has been some kind of fear in your subconscious. Okay, there are certain fears in your subconscious and they kind of impact your day-to-day life as well, and now it's time to heal that. Okay, because I do see that some of you will be investing a lot of time, energy and efforts in therapies, okay, in holistic approach, all of these things, and that is when you will be able to heal your subconscious fears. Okay, so a great help is coming towards you, and I also see that if you start your own healing journey, okay, it is going to be a beautiful one. It is going to be quite adventurous one, because I feel that you will be traveling and you will be working on yourself, and there's going to be a holistic approach. So basically now is the time where this wholesome attitude towards yourself is approaching in life. Okay, and I do see that you will be putting a lot of efforts to heal yourself. Okay, and especially holistically. I don't think that normal therapy sessions or clinical therapy, all of this is going to work for you. Okay, it may, but I don't think so, because I think your inclination is moving towards more of holistic approach than of normal therapeutic sessions. Let's see your challenge. So in challenge we have planning and action. Let's clarify this. Okay, now the challenge for you is that definitely you are surpassing a lot of things in your life. Okay, for some it is a heartbreak, for some it can be friends also. I don't know why, but I do feel that you have been with certain kind of friends who never kind of aligned with your energy. You have always been with certain kind of people who are lonely themselves. Okay, who are into some kind of addiction, or they follow some kind of surface surface level friendship, surface level belief systems, जो trend में आता है वो करो, that kind of thing. And I don't think that your soul is aligning with them anymore. Okay, so now is the time to move on from such spirits, from certain people in your life, and it is not going to be easy for you. Probably there are chances that you have been planning to do the same for a really long time, or you have been wanting to take some action on your spiritual health for a long time. But the only thing is that whenever you decide to do something, you always give up. Your mind will either give you reasons of money, or it will give you reasons of something else, and then there's lethargy, then there's procrastination, all of this. Okay, so even while I was doing a reading, I felt that lethargy, I felt that procrastination. Okay, and now I understand where was this coming from, because I can tap into your energy collectively. So there will be a yes and no moment kind of a thing in your life in the month of December, where you will have to take a decision. Now the question is, or universe is going to see whether you really take that effort, whether you really put that extra effort for your spiritual health. Okay, because I do feel that you have an opportunity to go forward in your life, and wherever you are heading to, it's going to be really beautiful, it's going to be really amazing, magical, very spiritual as well. But for that, first step has to be yours. Okay, it's like I'll tell you something. What might just happen is that you decided that I'm going to take this workshop, and you've packed your bags, you have paid, you have done everything from your side. But just day before the workshop, you might feel your brain will start giving you certain signals like, oh, I don't feel like going, maybe I should do this, maybe I should do that, blah blah blah. So that zeal is not there. Why it is not there? Because your mind is used to of certain old habits. Okay, probably earlier you used to go and party, or you used to smoke up, you used to do this, that. So you had different kind of solutions, but all those solutions were not fulfilling. Okay, they never tapped your soul, they always tapped your brain. So your brain is again and again coming between you and your spiritual self. Okay, or your higher self. Now with the blessing, we have true love. Let's clarify this card. Now you are realizing, okay, now this true love is more about yourself, is what I feel here. It's a very self-driven reading here. Okay, you have certain regrets about yourself. Why did I not work on myself earlier? Am I too late to work on myself? Everyone is healing, but I am not healing. These are the kind of fears, and these are the kind of energies or thoughts that you may have been feeling or sensing in your recent past, and probably whenever you see this video as well. But now the blessing is that it is changing. Okay, something in you is changing. I don't know why, but the way you see yourself is going to be different. The way you used to see yourself is going to be different, but the way you're going to see yourself now is going to be very different. Okay, it's like I would also suggest you to just stand in front of the mirror for 5 minutes and just look at yourself, the creation that you are. Okay, just look at yourself as a creation of God, and do this every day for 5 minutes, and your brain, that wired pattern that you have been living with, that will start changing, and that is going to motivate you to work on yourself. So the blessing is that yes, there are going to be challenges, but you will be dealing with those challenges, you will be surpassing those challenges, because there's a new you that you will be experiencing, where you would want to work on yourself, where you would want to work on the spirit. Okay, on your spirit. So that spirit work is happening now. Okay, you are understanding what you put in yourself. You see your body as your temple, as a sacred space. Okay, where the spirit is living in. So you have to make sure that wherever the spirit is living in, wherever the God is living in, it has to be a beautiful space, right? A God doesn't deserve to live in a hell, or a God doesn't deserve to live in nalas. Okay, some of you have really treated your body badly. Okay, now it can be self harm, it can be overeating because of stress and everything is also self harm, right? I do see that you have been trying to harm yourself, probably with blades and stuff, or at some point you wanted to. So there's some self harm energy when it comes to your body. Okay, and that is also definitely changing, so you will experience a new energy in yourself. Okay, you will see the God within yourself, you will meet the God within yourself. Let's see going forward, which is the message from your spirit guides. So we have 10 of cups, 2 of wands, and high priestess. Yes, now I do see that you will be listening to your intuition, and I also feel that there has been certain family members who have been guiding you, to take a certain path, to be on a different kind of path, but you kind of ignored them, you did not listen to them because you wanted to be your own boss, but this bossiness did not take you anywhere. So now I do see that you are taking your lessons, you are taking help from the universe, you're taking help, or you are at least listening and considering with utmost honesty with what your family members have been telling you, and some really special people. I'm not talking about those घिसा पिटा relatives जो जब देखो लेबल करते रहते हैं या जो कुछ भी. That is not the energy that I see. Okay, and you will see what these people have been telling you is now aligning with your intuitions. Okay, so whether you listen to them or not doesn't matter, but you are definitely listening to your intuition, and when you listen to your intuition, that is when you will see the path forward. Okay, so it says going forward, so spirit guides are going to make sure that you go forward in your life. Probably there has been stuck energy, and it has been impacting your work, it has been impacting your personal life, it has been affecting your friendships, your relationships, everything, and the only cause is that you have not been working with your spirit, you have not been spending time with your spirit, and now that time is changing, that behavior is changing. So I see that a lot of love is there. Okay, and this spirit guides are going to show a lot of love to you, you are going to show a lot of love to yourself, to your spirit, to your inner child, to your higher self, everything. So it's a very soul fulfilling reading, and December is going to be very soul fulfilling for you. So I hope this reading helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.